Hi everyone, in this video we are going to learn about delete statement in SQL. So this delete statement is used to delete existing records in a table. So syntax for this delete statement is delete from table name and where clause then condition. Okay, so for example, delete from students where id is equals to 9. Here students is a table name and id is a column name and 9 is a value to that column. So let me go to my SQL workbench, and here I have created a table with the student details, ID, name and joining here. So if I want to delete a particular record from this table, we can use this delete statement. So if I am going to delete this record from this table where ID is 9, so I will just copy my query from here and I will paste it, and I am going to run this query. So then you will definitely see this error like you are using safe update mode. So we need to disable this SQL safe update mode. So for that, use this command set SQL safe updates is equals to 0. So let me run this query. So one row is affected and now SQL safe updates is disabled. Now I'm going to run this delete statement. So run successfully, and I will run this select statement. Now you can see a record in the table where ID is 9 is deleted from this table. So if you forget to use this where clause in this statement, it will delete all the records from the table. For example, let me run this query and show you, and I will run this select statement again. See, all the details of the students have been deleted. So this is how to use this delete statement in SQL. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe.